Hi folks, Bill here, Action Auto Specialist, 6990 North Military Highway. Today we're featuring a 2006 BMW 530. Well-maintained BMW with 32 service records in the Carfax report. This is German engineering at its finest. New Virginia State inspection, cold air conditioning, navigation, sunroof, and a whole lot more. It has the Monica Blue metallic paint with the beige leather. Fun car to drive for less than $7,000. Stop by Action Auto Specialist, 6990 North Military Highway. Check the car out. Check us out. You'll be pleasantly surprised. Action Auto Specialist, 6990 North Military Highway. Thanks for watching, folks.